to my YouTube channel once again. In today's video I'll be teaching you how to achieve highlights and also how to curl your hair freestyle. This is how I do it, and especially with the curling of hair, this is how I do it. And also I bleach this hair with 20% peroxide, true light peroxide, and white bleach powder, and I basically use my hand to apply the bleach throughout the hair, and I just left it on for 20 minutes and it gave me this amazing beautiful blonde shade. And this hair is the same hair that I dyed with coffee. I decided to tweak it a bit, so now let's just go straight and let me show you how to achieve beautiful curls. Also, do not forget, this hair is from the same hair company, Raw Virgin Hair Boutique, the Raw Virgin Hair Boutique, and I still have my 30% coupon code for you viewers, which is my name as well, 30 off your overall purchase. This hair is definitely worth it. It takes well to bleach and dye, and it's better than normal virgin hair. It will last you a lifetime because this is 100% human hair, and hair has indefinite lifespan, so it will last you for more than 5 years, even further than that. Stay tuned. So now stay tuned for the video. Back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'll be teaching you viewers how I highlight and dye my raw hair bundles, and these are my raw hair bundles I've made into a wig, and this hair is from the Raw Virgin Hair Boutique. I'll be teaching you viewers how I basically
freestyle dyeing of hair, and as you can see, the front bit, I actually applied a lot of bleach. I just put my hand through it just like that. So now what I'm going to do now is to put this in a plastic. And leave it on for 30 minutes, just 30 minutes. So stay tuned. This hair is going to be very, very beautiful, so stay tuned.
After bleaching my hair with Tresemme Smooth and Silky with Silk Protein Argan Oil for dry and freeze-prone hair shampoo. Remember to use sulfate-free shampoos. This is the closest I got. And also the Cleanse and Replenish with Pro Vitamin B5 and Aloe Re-Moisture for all hair types conditioner. So remember, Tresemme, it's a very good after that I left it on for about, let's say, 24 hours. I put it in a plastic bag, let the conditioner drench into my hair, and basically steam my raw virgin hair bundles because I bleached it. Can you tell the effect that even though I've bleached this hair, it still has a silky look? Alright guys, so and brown hair, and I know you viewers can see this is raw hair, and I know you viewers can see through the camera how silky and beautiful and tangle free and shiny this hair is. So viewers, definitely check out the rawvirginhairboutique.com and check for the 30% coupon code which ends pretty soon with my name @Militarity, and hope you viewers did enjoy this video tutorial. I'll see you viewers in my next. Stay blessed.